Hey everyone, Levi here from Trident. So today's iLOQ tutorial, we're going to talk about how to attach a key to an existing user in your iLOQ system. So as you can see right now on my phone, I am not currently registered to any iLOQ system. So we're going to change that. So you want to be in basic data, and then you want to be under your keys. You can see what keys you have here, and then you're going to want to hit add a key. So you click add a key, and this will pop up. So you can add a key from default, or you can add a copy of the existing key, which means that if someone already has a key and you want to say add a fob for them, you just use add a copy of an existing key. You copy all the same data over, and then you just say it's a key fob instead of a phone key. But we're just going to add a key, brand new, right to... Okay, so you put the person's name in, so we're just going to call this person John Doe. And the cool thing about this too is you can actually set a start date and an end date for this key. So if you knew what day a certain employee was starting and you didn't want their key to work on your building until that date, you can set a start date. And if they were just say a summer employee, you can set an end date as well. And then that key will automatically just start and stop at those times. You don't have to worry about managing it too closely. So we're going to add a phone key, so we're going to click phone key. And then you can turn the auditing trail on or off if you want this key to be audited. Most people, you just want every key audited, so you turn that on. And you hit next. So now we're going to select who this key is for. So this key is for John, so we're going to select that. You can put all the person's information in here as well if you'd like. Hit next. Alright. So at Trident, we do have a couple different zones that you can add. Most people aren't going to have numerous zones, so you just give them access to everything. You can also give them access to only certain locks as well. So we have a few different locks here at Trident that we have for demo purposes. So if you want to give them access to only a certain lock, you can just move that one lock over. We're just going to say access to everything. So you hit over, and then there you go. They have access to all the locks now. Hit next again. You can also set time profiles, which would be only certain times that this key would work. So it wouldn't work between off hours of the business, you would say, but when the business is open, this key will work. So you can adjust all that as well. Hit next. Alright, so you can select what the key's main zone is. We're not going to go over zones too much in this video, so we're just going to leave it the way it is. Hit next. The amount of keys we want to create, we're just going to create one key. So you can leave keys in the planning state, or you can send the keys. Leaving keys in the planning state technically just means that you're going to have the key created, it's going to be ready to go, but you're not going to send a registration request out to any phone yet. So maybe you don't have the person's phone number, or you're not sure when they're going to start yet. You could leave the keys in the planning state, and then you could send the keys afterwards. But we're just going to send the keys right away. Alright, so here's the summary of everything we're adding. It's good to go, all looks good, so we're going to hit ready. Perfect. Alright, so now it's going to ask us for a phone number. You can also do it by email. Most of the time you just do it by phone number. You got to remember that you have to enter the phone number in the international format. So +1250 is our area code here, and then the phone number. And then you hit order. Alright. Okay, so now I should get a text message asking me to register my phone. So there we go. The text message just popped up at the bottom here. So you open that. Now I will mention too that if this person does not have the iLOQ app installed on their phone, when you click on the link the first time, it's going to load up the App Store. You can download the app, and then you'll go back to that same text message, hit the link again, and then it will bring them into the app to actually do the registration. So you click on the link, it's going to say registration in progress, then it's going to text you a one-time code. Your phone should enter the one-time code in automatically, which mine did do, which is awesome, and then you're going to click activate at the bottom there. So click activate. Alright, so your account is now activated. Hit OK. And then at the bottom you can see I'm now registered to the Trident locking system. Now my phone can open any locks that I gave it authorization to open. So there you go. Awesome guys. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.